Hi there, I'm Jenny from 36Pix. In this tutorial, I'll be covering workflow basics for CloudKO Lite. Even if you're a first-time user, you'll be on your way in just a few minutes. To get started, let's upload our images. First, click on the Upload Images button, and then click Select Files. Choose your green screen JPEGs and click Open. Once the files have finished uploading, click Finish. At this point, CloudKO Lite is processing your images. This may take a few moments. Once processing has completed, you'll notice them here in the Jobs tab. Next, we'll click on the Preview button to see how our image looks. From this window, we can see the green background has been extracted. We have a few options here to help us before accepting the result. We can choose to view our original, the keyed preview with or without the layer mask, as well as the alpha channel, which shows the layer mask in high contrast black and white. You can also choose which background color you'd like for the previews. These backgrounds don't affect the final extractions, they're just there to help you with the preview. If you need a reminder about these view modes, please click on the help icon to see an explanation of each one. Pleased with the results of the keying, click on Accept Result. As noted in the preview window, clicking Accept Result will subtract 1 from your remaining extraction count. You'll notice we now have access to the Edit and Download buttons for this image. Our next step is to edit the mask. To do this, we'll click on the Edit Mask button. Once our image is opened in the editor, we can use the mask to isolate any green we want to keep, like this book. When there's a small amount of isolated green, the lasso tool is the simplest one to use. To call the lasso, click on the Activate Lasso button located on the toolbar, or use the keyboard shortcut L for lasso. To help us make our selection, we can enter the overlay mode by using the # key. This will help us by fading all other colors and highlighting the green. Once we've made our selection, we can play the Hide Green Outside selection action, or use the keyboard shortcut F12. Once our action is completed, we can see all of the green outside of our selection has been deleted. To exit the overlay mode, just press the # key again. Once we've done that and we're ready to save this image, all we have to do is press F8. This will save the image and take us back to the Jobs tab. To download our completed image, just click on the Download PNG button. Once our download is complete, we can open it and see our transparent background PNG. Next, I'll take you through the steps for processing an image where the only green is the background. We'll start this the exact same way by pressing the Preview button in the Jobs tab. From the Preview result window, we just have to verify that there's no green in this image we want to keep. Once we've done that, just click Accept Result. Then from the Jobs tab, we just click the Download PNG button and we have our knockout. Extracting green screens with outstanding results couldn't be easier. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos for information on other tools and actions offered by CloudKO Lite. Thanks for watching and have a great day.